gentlemen, I'm happy to yield 2 minutes to the gentleman from Wisconsin, Mr. Duffy, Chairman of the Housing and Insurance Subcommittee.
Gentleman from Wisconsin is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This debate oftentimes can become confusing because banking law is confusing. And we hear both sides take different positions on the Financial Choice Act and on Dodd-Frank. But I think the cut to the fat about was Dodd-Frank great law, and does the Choice Act actually make this law way better? I think we have to look at a couple simple factors. Big banks brought us to the crisis in 2008. And the question for my friends across the aisle and people watching this debate is, have big banks, because of Dodd-Frank, gotten smaller, or have big banks gotten bigger because of Dodd-Frank? The answer is big banks have gotten bigger. And if you go to rural Wisconsin, it's small community banks and credit unions that help grow our businesses and help provide capital to our families. They're going out of business. And big Wall Street banks don't set up shop in rural Wisconsin. So the little guy is getting hurt. Big guys are doing really well. But you got to ask yourself, look at who supports the Financial Choice Act. You have the NFIB, protecting small businesses, independent community bankers, National Association of Credit Unions, Credit Union National Association. Credit unions and small banks support this bill. Who doesn't support this bill? Well, if you look to the Washington Post, a quote there, Henserling, our chairman, faces opposition from big bank CEOs that like Dodd-Frank. They hate the Choice Act. Another quote from the Wall Street Journal, big banks have an unexpected message for President-elect Trump. Don't trash Dodd-Frank. So big banks hate this bill, and little banks and little credit unions, they love it. So if you want to know where people stand on this, go to your small community banker, go to your credit union, and ask them about Dodd-Frank, and they will give you an earful, and then ask them, do you like the Choice Act? And they will sit back and give you a small, slow clap. Let's do what's right for the American people and the small bank and the small credit union. Let's join together, pass H.R. 10, and give a win to the little guy. I yield back.